Right guys, Happy New Year. Whee! I'm still breathing, that's what I'm celebrating. I'm still here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a broken door handle. It's getting looser and looser. And yeah, so what I've done, I've purchased like a little box of bolts, like they go through the door handle either side, and then you'll be able to bolt the door onto the door rather than screw it. And these are called M3 handle screws through bolts. M3, M for mother. So yeah, let's go guys, let's go. See how long this takes me. If you look closely, there'll be little ridges that you cut to the thickness of your door, guys. So I'm going to quickly set myself up and I'm going to show you how I'm going to go about it. Right, what you do is you get your bolt and you line it up to see what ridge you need to cut it off at. And I'm guessing it's going to be the first one. It's close. I could take the first one or the second one off and I'll be fine. It's probably the second one. It's got about 5 ridges on this, guys. So it's not to the thickness of your door. You've got to take it to the thickness of your handle. Yeah, let's go with that. So what you do, you get your snips. I can see it needs to come off there. And just cut it off. And there you go. Done. You've got to make sure that it goes back on, which it does. Lovely. So I'm looking at that, guys. Do it right up. And there we have it, guys. I've tightened it up. I can see that I'm going to be passing both of them. I've got plenty of play on that. I can take it to there, which is perfect. Perfect. See how we get on anyway. Done. Right, this side is stuck and I can't get it off, so just put a bit of rag over it so you don't scratch the chrome, guys. And there we go, I've undone it. Boom. So it's a matter of just taking out the screws, which they're barely holding there. Right, after a bit of fiddling, I've had to take 3 of them off. So third time lucky. Poke that into there, poke that into there. There we have it. I can feel that I've gone in. Dexter. Right, that's bit, guys.
I didn't get that. The internet isn't reachable.
No, that's weird, isn't it? I have not said nothing to Amazon, and that's just come off my my Alexa. That is weird. It's always listening. And just tighten it up, guys. Both sides of these are Phillips, so I've got to hold one in. There we go. Alright, there we have it. That is on rock solid, guys. And if you just put one in at the top and one at the bottom, and that is plenty, guys, to hold it. I've done the bottom one already. And that is it. I've done that. That's another little job ticked off. Happy wife, happy life, guys. There we have it, guys. One door handle fixed. See you later, guys.